Right, just set up a basic empty Joomla installation. Just downloaded the latest jSeblod CCK 1.7 revision 105 release candidate 4. What I'm going to do now is just install this in the unusual way. So rather than using the normal plugin installer or extension installer for ones where installs have problems due to file size, I'm going to install it this way. So what I'm doing is unzipping the archive directly into the temp directory, TMP directory. Don't put it in there as a single zip file, unzip it, and as you'll see in a few seconds, you'll get all the individual files that come inside the package. Give that a few seconds and they should be in our temp directory. Okay, so we can get rid of that. If we then bring up the install here and just log in, and if we go to install, and it's already defaulted to temp, so click on the install button and it should run through the install process. You can use the normal extension installer here, but obviously if you've got limits, memory and file size limits set on your hosting package, then that may not be possible. So instead, upload it using an FTP program, and then use this directory here to install from the temp directory. It takes a few seconds. It's quite a large extension because it has lots of functions. And a second should come through and tell you that it's cleared. Yep. Installed, and you'll see the last things down here are some default settings. You can change these later by going to the configuration, don't worry. Just the width and heights of boxes like pop-up models, restriction levels, going to those in a separate item, but essentially it allows you to then create content types and field types and everything else that are hidden from a normal view. So when you use, for example, if you wanted to create an article but you didn't want someone to be able to pick it when they create an article, maybe you had a different content type, you could set this tier to a 1 level and then set the one you want to be hidden to a lower level. Anything underneath this level would then not be shown to a normal user in the normal screen. Quick categories, colours, etc. We'll leave as they are for now and we'll click on apply. Okay, we now have the new screen. We have all the new additions that have been added, parts that are going to be added soon. I'm sure, like me, everyone's looking forward to these. And this is the configuration we said earlier on. We can go back in and make changes to these items. Another thing that's useful to do while you're here and now, if you go into extensions, into the module manager, then click on the administrator on here, and roll down, you'll see one here, extended menu. Just change that by clicking on the cross to make that active. And you'll notice up here we now have a shortcut directly to all our parts on a CCK menu. Okay, thank you.